everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to charge Fitbit Luxe. So first you might want to know how to check the battery percentage to know when it needs to be charged. So you'll go ahead and double tap on the Luxe's display. That will bring up the clock face. And then you can swipe up from the bottom. And then at the top here you should see that it is 97% charged right now for me. So what you'll need is the charging cable that came with it. It is a proprietary cable, so you will need this specific cable. And on one end, we have a USB Type A. You'll want to plug that into a compatible power source. So I have a power bank here that has some Type A connections. And I'll go ahead and plug that in here. The other side is actually magnetic. And you want to note these two gold pins here. So this is going to attach to the back of the Luxe, and the gold pins need to line up. So not like this, but like this. And then what you'll do is you'll just put them together. It is magnetic. And might have to push the button here. Oh, there, it actually wasn't fully on, so you might need to double check by moving it around. And if you need to see that screen again, you just double tap. So here it says 97%. It is nice you get the time and date as well on this battery screen, so that is a nice touch. And then if you actually want to use your device, except for the heart rate, and don't use it while exercising or doing anything that needs heart rate, but to check notifications or your daily stats or something like that, you can do that. You just double tap, and then I guess you swipe up or down. It was working before. Oh, okay, so you swipe to the right, it seems. Let me see if I can get that back. Well, I'll go ahead and reset everything here. So there's that. Let's say you wanted to wake it up from sleep, and we'll swipe to the right, and there you can access your clock face and everything else. You can check your stats. You can check your settings, and you can access your apps. So it will take about 1 to 2 hours to fully charge. There is no fast charging, but otherwise that's, I think, all you need to know about how to charge your Fitbit Luxe. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up down below and consider subscribing if you want to see more Fitbit Luxe how-to videos. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.